Hello fashion and lingerie enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mia. Today, we're here to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of lingerie and fashion. I'm here to introduce you to the latest trends, creative combinations, and bold designs. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. This way, we can continue exploring the enchanting world of fashion. And don't forget to like the video, so you can help us create more content. In this video, which of the 30 photos is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's start watching this video to open the doors to the world of fashion and lingerie. I can't wait to join this exciting journey with you. Enjoy!